Kame hold on here back when somebody chair one of Memfa and so when you free nigga say every post is in Dr. George Ekufu Dampore na Kache na what their football any other strategy to Amanyoku Kasee you know what may you MPP Amanyoku and DC Amanyoku him say was rather kwa about one of the question so Ghana no yen to me and wachi Emma enye beja said ye Ghana tie no omo modern say betwa bani bewie no na Ghana sumdue ekoswa ekuta yeso man.
Inspector General of Police George Akufu Dampare Asia National Democratic Congress NDC any new patriotic party MPP Amanyoku no emanfo abra womo eya hoboa ede ato aba ewo Kumawu no ye friend by election eho ana ode to manfo yi enim se womo enhwe se womo be ma womo manfo a womo ebeto abai ato abato no asomdue mu na obia enkodin semoni anase mentimu ase bia enkopie mu ema wo kasa wo de tudwa se asomdue a Ghana epe no eya asomdue a yepe ede ato ede ama echima.
It should inform everything that we do, such that at the end of the day, we focus on what is it that we can leave behind that impact society to a level that will create a serene environment for our children that we so love to come and inherit. Instead of trying to do so much into things that will end up destroying the country in a manner that our children will have no space, and yet we sit in our homes and say we love them. So we want all of us to live here with that mindset that this is our final destination. Nothing are we going to bring there. The only thing we can do before we walk out of here and go there is to ensure that whatever is meant to impart this word within us, we offload them so that we die empty of anything that will make this world better for our children to come. God in his own wisdom decided to make all of us different and yet Ghanaians to come together and make this place a habitable and a better place. No single person of us have more interest in this country than any one of us. That is why indeed, whenever there is elections and we all have to vote, we all go to one.
Abato ekoso ewo Kumawu eye by election enipa womo ejina mu se womo enkoto omo so aba no eye Ernest yaw enim onu ejina ho edema MPP Kwesi Amankwa ejina ho edema NDC Kwakudua enso ejina ho edema independent Kwakudua bakoso eka ho onu so jina mu edema independent